Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I'm super excited today because I got the Good Apple Foundation Balm. So I wanted to do a demo today and show you just how I use it for a natural makeup look. I pretty much just wanted to show you my foundation routine 2021 and how I've been creating a natural makeup look that also looks glam. So if you'd like to see how I do that, and if you'd like to see my review and tutorial of how I use the Good Apple Foundation, then just keep watching. Because I finally got my hands on the Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. It has been such a struggle to get this. A lot of you guys might know it is completely sold out everywhere. So I tried online. I went in several stores. I could not find it, but I finally got it and I've been using it, and I have to, spoiler alert, let you guys know I absolutely love it. So I figured I would just come and do a demo today, kind of show you how I use it and let you guys know that it is currently back in stock at Ulta. So I just got an email and they said it's back in stock. So if you're like me and you were on the hunt for it, it is back in stock right now. Some shades are already sold out, but hopefully they'll have your shade in stock and you can pick one up. So here it is if you haven't seen it already. It does come in a package like this. So there's minimal outer packaging, there's minimal plastic and minimal waste. So I actually truly love this, and it fits so perfectly in your purse. This foundation is described as a buildable, full coverage, hydrating foundation balm with a lightweight long wear formula. So like I said earlier, I have already been using and loving mine, but let me go ahead and show it to you. It comes in a clear, kind of acrylic looking packaging in plastic packaging. So that's pretty awesome. You can recycle this. So it has the filigree detailing on the outer perimeter. And then inside it is a balm like foundation. And here's how the actual foundation balm looks. So it is infused with apple extract that helps to nourish your skin, and it's said to minimize pores and give the look of a healthy, radiant finish. I love how it feels super lightweight. It feels very hydrating, yet I have oily skin, and so it didn't leave me feeling oily at the end of the night. But if you do have dry skin, I feel like this will feel really nourishing on your skin. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I use this today. So first things first, I do love to start with a sunscreen. So I've been loving this. This is the Illia Super Serum Skin Tint, and it has SPF 40 in it. So that's perfect for me. It's super lightweight, and it does come in a very lightweight serum-like formulation. So let me go ahead and put this on. So just kind of put a little bit in the center of your face, because if you put too much, it'll drip down and get all over you, and you don't want that. This is a clean beauty skincare product, so I absolutely love this. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, squalane, and a lot of really great skin loving ingredients, so this is super amazing. So now I do like to go in with a primer, so I'm just going to use my Revlon primer. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Primer, and I just love this. I just pack a little bit on my T-zone area. It just totally fills in your pores and also brightens a bit under your eyes. If you have any dark circles under your eyes, this will definitely help to alleviate that, but yet it also fills in the pores. So this is one of my favorite products of life. Now we can go into what we came here for, you guys, the Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation. Take a foundation brush, a synthetic hair foundation brush. This one is from Coastal Scents. You can use any foundation brush. Then I just like to dip into it and just kind of work the product into the brush, and then just go ahead and apply it to my face. It just melts into your skin like a dream. It's just absolutely amazing. It feels so good on your skin, and it does give you that instant coverage, so you just feel instantly concealed. I feel like it just erased my dark circles in a second, so that's amazing. I only used one tap in and I got all of this coverage, so I do think this product will last you a long time. It's so great too how compact the packaging is, so you can fit it in your purse on the go, and you can definitely do your makeup on the go if you're at school, at work, wherever. If you're on the run, you could get ready in your car for sure with this foundation. And you guys, I'm in the shade Medium 033, so I feel like it matches my complexion perfectly. They do have a lot of shades with a lot of different undertones that you can go through and see which one would match you best. I realized when you're buying your foundation online, actually a lot of times it is much more helpful than you would think than purchasing it in store, because you can read the description, you can see the different undertones of each foundation, and then you can find the one that works best for you. A lot of times in store it's hard to do that. There's so many different colors, there's so many different shades, and you'd have to go through each one, and nowadays they don't let you try them in store, at least where I'm at. It's so helpful when you purchase your foundation online and read the description and read the different undertones. So actually now it actually has dried down a bit. It does stay dewy, but it gives a very soft matte finish. So I could not love this more. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on some concealer now. So you can take any concealer. I love this one from Tarte. This is the Hydro Concealer from Tarte. So this is also clean beauty ingredients, and it's very lightweight, brightening, and I just absolutely love this concealer. So you just put a little bit on where you just need to conceal any dark circles. My dark circles have already been concealed by the foundation. So I'm using this concealer now just to highlight, and I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge and just press that in very gently. And I do like to put a little bit around my chin area just to highlight as well. And then I've been loving this, you guys. This is also from Tarte. This is the Tarte, it's a bronzing cream. This is a Tarte cream bronzer, so I've been loving this. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on now. So you wanna keep your cream bronzer or your bronzing products pretty high. You wanna start up here by the top of your ear, and that's gonna give you a nice lifted look. And then I'm just gonna take a eyeshadow crease brush and just put a little bit on my nose just to contour down my nose. And then I love to use this Milk Makeup. This is the Lip and Cheek Balm. So again, you're putting it pretty high up. And then we'll just take our beauty sponge and then just kind of roll it over the product. So you're rolling it with your hand like so. And then you guys, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just gonna place some on a small Real Techniques brush and just place that under my eyes just to set it very gently. And then I'll just put it anywhere else where I get shiny on the T-zone area. And then I'm just gonna bring back that blush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of powder blush. I'm just using a pink powder blush, and we're just gonna tap it on pretty high up again. And then just bring back our nose contour. So just taking a bronzer now, a powder bronzer, just kind of bringing back that nose contour with the fluffy eyeshadow brush. So you guys, I'm loving that. I'm just gonna put on my favorite lip that I've been loving right now, and it is the KKW Kim Kardashian. This is her #3 lipstick, and I have never found a lipstick that I love so much. I just can't get enough of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. First, I'm just gonna apply the KKW Lipliner, and this is the lip liner #2. And then here is the KKW #3 lipstick. And then I do like to top that with a little bit of lip gloss. And then I'll just bring back the lip liner just a little bit. And then finally, you guys, I'm just gonna set my makeup now with a spritz of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. This is my Clean Beauty Makeup Setting Spray. It is vegan, cruelty-free, smells amazing, makes your makeup last up to 16 hours, plus it gives you that gorgeous, dewy, radiant, glowing skin look. So you'll never be left looking cakey. You will just have the ultimate natural makeup look. So let me go ahead and just shake it up and hold it arm's length and just go ahead and mist it on your skin. So beauties, this is the finished look, how I've been doing my foundation routine 2021. So if you love a natural makeup look, or you're just a makeup fanatic in general like myself, you definitely have to look into trying this Good Apple foundation balm. Whether you love a natural makeup look or not, I think you will love this foundation. It's definitely buildable. It gives you so much coverage out of the bat, but it looks so natural. It gives you the most radiant looking complexion. So I couldn't wait to come and share it with you guys today. Like I said, it is currently available at Ulta. Hopefully Sephora will get more back in stock soon, so everybody can get one and get to try it. So thanks guys so much for coming and checking out my foundation routine 2021 and my Good Apple foundation balm review and demo. So I hope you guys are all doing good. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. So I hope you guys are all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye, I love you.